Hey, what's up everybody? You recently have a big snowstorm, you turned your wipers on, and one was frozen or clogged, and then it didn't work anymore. A lot like this. It'll move a little bit on the other side, but it won't come up anymore. Well, let's try to fix it right now. So welcome back everybody. You can see this one right here got caught on this. It was frozen, and this little section right here, this little cover popped off. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this, and this actually was moving really hard. Or it would start to move and then it would make a little pop and it wouldn't go anymore. And if you see there, this one, it barely moves, this one. So either this arm is stripped out or the bolt is loose. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this cover back off. Try not to lose the cover. Which is more difficult than it looks. There you go. We're gonna try to tighten this first and see if that works. If not, we gotta go to the store and probably get a new arm. And I believe this is a 14 millimeter, and so we'll try that first. So to get at this, it's better probably just to put your hood up once because it's kind of down in there, and you could use a wrench, but a socket won't work unless you can see there, it is super loose. So that might be all that is the problem. If we go the right way, or it just might be so stripped. Well, now it's getting tight. It's getting tighter, and I can't move it anymore. So that might have been the only problem. We might not have to get a brand new arm. So let's go ahead and come over to this side, and we'll grab a hold of it. And yeah, once again, I can't move it anymore. Let's put the hood down and turn the wipers on and see if they work again. All right, so we got the key on. Well, actually we don't. I gotta put it one more. And there we go. Fixed just that easily. So there you go. If you had that problem, it's not working now, first thing you do, try to tighten those bolts that hold it on. If they're tight, but you still have all that slack in there, then you need a new arm. Hope this helps, and we'll see you soon. Stick around for more DIY tips, servants videos. Love that show. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for the support. Leave a like, a comment if you found this helpful, and you can always use the super fund to donate any kind of money you want if any of these tips helped you. Even $1 is so much welcomed. So thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.